Man, talk about a crazy day for the stock market, guys. A crazy good one at that. We had all the indexes up big time. The Russell was up 1.4%, 1.5%. Same with the S&P. The NASDAQ went up over 2.1%. Crazy day for tech stocks today, guys, as the Dow went up 0.8% and the VIX went down around 4% on the day. So in this video, we're going to break down the markets very quickly. We'll take a quick glance at what the heck happened today, guys, and we'll go over Sofi stock, which also had a green day, up around 3%. So jam-packed video. If y'all find value, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And guys, don't forget to get up to 16 stocks from Moomoo. Check out all the details. Link down below. Fund your account at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat. And depending on how much money you deposit, guys, you can get a free share of Tesla stock or Google as well. Again, check out all the details. Link down below. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, let's dive into it. So check it out. Sofi, like I said, went up around 3% on the day. Pretty good. And a lot of that gain came in the morning. You guys can see we hit about 816, which actually was the low from roughly right around 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 p.m. from yesterday. So we hit 815, 820. We held that point, and then we ended up exploding up to 860, right? So we hit 815, ran all the way to 860 by around, 10:30 a.m.? So an hour into the day, we already covered a ton of ground. Again, a lot of the gain came in the morning, roughly 4.7% from 816 to 858. Then we ended up coasting for the rest of the day, declining a little bit, nothing crazy. You guys can see we actually got ourselves in this channel, but overall, no doubt the bulls won the day on Sofi, right? We took out the highs from yesterday. We had a green day. And again, now we're in this little downwards channel as of really the majority of the day. Pretty much from the first hour or after the first hour of trading, we started getting ourselves in this channel. So at this point, heading into tomorrow, guys, to see if we, get more upside, let's see if Sofi starts breaking this channel, right? Do we start taking out 850 again, 860? We start taking out the highs of the day being around 860. That would be a great sign for the bulls overall. Let me actually set my alert at 860, mark is out or above, and we'll see where it goes from that point. And as I peel back the layers a little bit, guys, now we can see we also took out the highs from Friday being about 845. So yesterday and not tomorrow's, the day before's highs were taken out. And now we're starting to get awfully close to where we were, I believe, on Thursday, right? Or was that Wednesday? Actually, yeah, Wednesday after the bell, Sofi got to about 860. We got rejected. Boom. Thursday, we dumped all the way down to $8. And now we're getting back close, towards the mid-8s. And if we do break that 860 again, that spot's huge, guys. More upside could be right around the corner. So on the 5-day chart, Sofi has been trading between $8.10 as support to about $8.60 as resistance. So it's been in this 50-cent window over the past couple of days. And on the 10-day chart, you can see, all right, $8.60, $8.70. You can see on this time frame, it's an even bigger resistance, right? And if I pull up this 20-day chart, now you can see we're slowly starting to reverse. We're not fully breaking out yet, but we are starting to break above the moving averages on this 1 hour time frame, the 50 and the 180 SMAs. And if 860, 875-ish, that breaks as well, 875 being the high from the 14th of August, that's where we could really start to take off, in my opinion. And of course, this is all my opinion, right? Nothing's guaranteed. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go buy or sell or hold or do anything with the stock. And, you got to do your own research, guys, your own due diligence, as always. So that is, a quick breakdown on this 20-day chart. The tides are slowly starting to turn, and I do see a bit of a bullish divergence here on Sofi. Let me show you the RSI, guys. Look at that. We have a clear bullish divergence down here, right? Boom. You guys see that? And now it's slowly starting to turn back to the upside. We're not, again, fully breaking out, but we could be any moment now coming up. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see, we're still under the $9, $9.10, 180 SMA. You guys see that here on the 4-hour chart. And this is arguably kind of like Palantir. I think I covered this last time I talked about Sofi. Kind of like Palantir, guys. we have an inverse, or not an inverse, but a regular Head and Shoulders potentially in the making. You guys see this right here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here. If we fail to break the neckline, being anywhere from $9 to $10, big range, but still that's roughly where the neckline's at, where we failed back in June. If we fail to break there, this could see more red. But honestly, before we even test $9.50, $10, that's $1.50 higher from where we are now. So that could be, a trade in and of itself. But again, once we get there, if we fail at 10, we might start selling back down. So 10's a big spot, 10, 10, 25. That is the neckline here of this Head and Shoulders. And again, we do have a bit of time, or, we do have a bit of space between where we are now to $10, $10.30, considering we're at $8.50 right now, so we could make some money before that. But overall, just, over time here in the short term, over the next couple of weeks, let's see what Sofi does, at this neckline. Very big spot, guys. So I'm going to set my alert, another alert. Mark is that we're above $10.25, and we'll see where it ends up going from that point. So, that's a quick breakdown on Sofi, what it did today. We're still pretty much range bound between 810 to 860. Let's see what direction we do end up picking. But as of now, it looks like the bulls are really starting to gain momentum. So that's a quick breakdown, guys. I will make another video probably later tonight going over the overall markets and a breakdown of some other stocks. But in this video, let me see, I want to talk about one or two more. What's the one that's reporting later this month? It's CRM. That's right. Actually, no, they're in September. Let me pull CRM up and show you guys. They're in, or no, they're not. Are they? Or are they tomorrow? Yeah, they're tomorrow, guys. They're tomorrow, I believe, after the bell. Let me double check. Yeah, after the bell. And today, CRM pretty much broke even, up 24 cents. But this is one that I could see, and who knows, nothing's guaranteed, but I could see this one exploding after earnings, maybe. I mean, this thing is beaten down a ton from 240 roughly to 211, which means it's down roughly 11-12% in the past month, a little over a month. So we are beaten down. Let's see if we do start to get that reversal, which is why my alert's at 217.50. If that point breaks, guys, I'm telling you, in my opinion, we could be filling this gap right here, and maybe it does that fairly quickly. Not guaranteed, but, look at what happened last time we made a break upwards. We went from 210 to 240 in the span of about a week, and with earnings coming up, literally anything could happen here on CRM. Another one that I'm looking at is Adobe, ADB. Let me pull it up. This one up 2% on the day, and they're set to report earnings, I believe, mid-September, and we can see we are starting to break above the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, which is good. It looks like the uptrend is continuing, and with today's close up 2%, we officially closed above the highs from last week on Adobe, being very good. Very good news for the bulls. And now we're about $12 away, guys, from the recent highs. Unbelievable. We're right there. 552 is the all-time high, I believe, on Adobe. And, this might take the highs out before earnings for all we know. Momentum sure looking good for the bulls as of now, guys. So what do you all think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to hit the like button and to subscribe. I appreciate you all as always. And don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo. All the details are linked down below, or you guys can go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Moomoo's a great cutting edge platform, guys, with a lot of in-depth research and different functions in the app. It is unbelievable. I'm going to make a tutorial coming up here pretty soon on Moomoo. So get those stocks, and you can get a free share of Tesla or Google stock, depending on how much money you deposit on the platform. So get on it. Link down below. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Yes, I have a water from Starbucks. It is what it is, guys. I'll see you in the next one.